Costa Rica's rainforests are one of the main reasons why more than 1 million tourists visit this country each year. The breathtaking scenery and outstanding biodiversity found, particularly in rainforests in Costa Rica, feel like you're entering a magical dimension, making it a must-visit stop on any traveler's dream vacation bucket list. Despite being such a small country, Costa Rica is one of a handful of locations with rainforests, particularly tropical rainforests, which are the most biologically diverse terrestrial ecosystems in the world. About 51% of Costa Rica's territory is rainforest, and almost 24% of this is primary forest, meaning perfectly immaculate lush vegetation that has not been affected or distorted by humans. Rainforests cover a small percentage of the Earth's surface, about 6%, however, they are home to more than half the species of flora and fauna on the planet. Climate. Costa Rica's tropical rainforest covers 5.5% of its territory. It is an amazing biological system and a magical sanctuary full of life, shapes, colors, sounds, and aromas. Thanks to constant rainfall and an average of 200 inches of rain per year due to its location, Costa Rica's rainforests are evergreen. Max temperature reaches 91.4 degrees F, 33 degrees Celsius, and min 71.6 degrees F, 22 degrees Celsius. Animals. Some of the most typical examples of animal life found in Costa Rica rainforests are green basilisk, green iguana, two-toed sloth, three-toed sloth, red-eyed frog, howler monkey, spider monkey, coati, puma, jaguar, ocelot, among others. The large number of exotic birds living there is impressive, as are the butterfly and reptile species. Plants. Vegetation is represented by bromeliads, mosses, lichens, and orchids, as well as countless trees such as laurel, caobilla, coral oak, golden fruit, ojoche, cedro maria, and botorama, just to name a few. The most visited tropical rainforests in Costa Rica are inside national park areas such as Manuel Antonio National Park, Corcovado National Park, Cahuita National Park, Carrera and Piedras Blancas National Park. Friends, hope you like this. Thanks for watching.